So I couldn't find a single video. But anyways, I would put my ignition in and I would turn it and nothing would happen. None of the start sequence would normally light up, nothing. I put the jumper box on it, still no power, nothing from that. And apparently what did happen was, if you use a 12-volt car jump starter, it could potentially blow a fuse. And this fuse belonged to this guy. And this is a starter relay, and this just goes back on here. I had to take it apart to take this off. But it is, so this is on top of your battery's under there, and there's actually, I don't know if you can see it right here, it's a little hole for it, made specifically for it, right there. And it's literally right there, so right on top of your bike. It's black, so it's kind of hidden back there. And yeah, this is what it looks like. But it has this on it. So yeah, like something like that. But anyways, I have to get a new fuse, 30 amp. Blew it out, and that's why my bike wasn't starting, and maybe why yours isn't.